Waymo has been unlocking its doors to its first riders in Music City in April, as the driverless rideshare company has been accepting customers on a rolling basis.
Nashvillians can order through the Waymo app to reserve a ride. Similar to many other rideshare apps, this is done by selecting a drop-off and pick-up location. Once the Waymo arrives, the car will unlock automatically via your phone's Bluetooth or through a prompt on your phone. The car will not start or leave until the Start Ride button is pressed inside the car.
First impressions of the Waymo so far have been very good. The car has shown every obstacle in its path on the screens that are very interactive and easy to use. It comes packed with safety tips and advice for riders inside the vehicle, and it has honestly just been a very smooth and efficient process.
Throughout the ride, the Waymo handled unique driving situations well, like navigating Nashville's many roundabouts. Inside the vehicle, passengers have the ability to control both the music and the air conditioning. Users can connect their Spotify or YouTube Music subscriptions to see their playlists and cue songs for the duration of the trip. When the drop-off location is reached, the Waymo finds a safe spot to pull over, out of traffic but close to your destination, allowing for a smooth end to your trip.
Nashvillians can register in the Waymo app today to experience this for themselves. For VNN, I'm Alex Zock.